Hi, this is Brian Rogers, Senior Manager at Armanino. Thought I'd run through with you real quickly the workforce planning and Workday Adaptive Insights. What you're looking at right here is a dashboard for human resources. We have a scorecard of all your key employee-related accounts compared to budget, a pie chart, functional area expenses, and then maybe you have some trend lines for cost per employee, monthly headcount, average cost per worker. These are very flexible. We can set up all kinds of different dashboards for you. This is just to give you a little bit of an idea. Of course, we have all kinds of different versions in Adaptive. We call them, these versions are able to be, actual version, but a board approved, or a working budget, a 3+9, 6+6. Our clients are updating these on a regular basis. These can be locked, they can be hidden, they can be made available. And of course, we would load in your entire organizational level structure into the solution. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that people have access to just what they need to see and not anything else. And when we're talking about employee related costs, that does require salary level detail access. So as I get into my sheets, you'll see typically our models, fully support the three statements: P&L, balance sheet, cash flow. Supporting models, you have assumptions, reports, dashboards. It's a very robust corporate performance management solution. And I'll jump right into workforce planning, give you the highlights there. And I'm acting as though I'm the Sales North manager. In this example, this is my staff. And I'm looking at, Brandon, Juan, Madeline, so on. These are their names over here. We can set up any kind of dimension or drop down. Maybe you want to have a title or a state of residence, freeform text field for things like comments. But what's nice is we can do any kind of dates in here. Usually in a model like this, we have a start and an end date, and we have all their calculations for employee related costs done between these two dates. You might have a health benefits dropdown, employee plus spouse plus family, that there's a lookup table behind the scenes that feeds the numbers into here. There's maybe a pension plan, an off-cycle raise date, but typically we see a annual or hourly salary here calculated in the model, commission targets, maybe there's a bonus. And the other thing we see sometimes, you've got this individual here, Bill Clark. He is actually works in the north, but he's splitting his time between the north and the south. So we're taking all his expenses and splitting them 60-40, 60 to the north, 40% to the south. And then we can send that back into the GL accounts. So this can easily be populated with the Excel template upload. Some clients do an automated integration. If you wanted to add another row here, we could simply just click on the add row button and fill out this row here. Maybe you're going to have a new hire in a couple months. You could do that here. This is also accompanied by the assumptions, and these are user restricted sheets where we can do things like the benefit plans, the max out rates. In this example, you can see here's my lookup table for benefit rates, Social Security and the max outs, the Medicare percent, the FUTA max. We have all that kind of calculations available in there. Hope this was helpful, gives you a little idea of how we do workforce planning and Workday Adaptive Planning. Look forward to helping you. Thank you.